If I had somebody talking to me when I was starting off, where I shouldn't waste time and money, if somebody was telling me that, it would have been really useful because I wasted my time and money. If I really had somebody like Soundingboard.club, when I started off, it would have been really helpful. What I do is I see opportunities. So in events, there are a lot of opportunities which are untapped. I was more interested in electronics more than computer hardware. Joined as a tech support in a call center, but then I was still DJing, helping other DJs right after my college. So that's how it started. I had this interest in music and I've been listening to a lot of music since my college days. Rajiv is my brother and he's been with me from the day I started. We were running this sound and lighting rental company for small events back in 2006. Make sure you deliver your best. As in, it's gonna take time. You just can't go change somebody's mindset. They are comfortable working with some other people. You have to go and do your best and make sure you are at least delivering at par with the others. People who are on board with Soundingboard.club, I would really love to help them and help the whole community grow. If there are more players coming in, we'll have a bigger game.